Just 24 hours left for the crucial Delhi polls that is being regarded as a bipolar fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, with Amit Shah at the helm of affairs, the BJP is continuing its door-to-door campaign on the pretext of distributing voter kits. Letters with Chief Minister Kiran Bedi's pictures are being distributed. One RSS Pracharak has been deputed to each of the 70 assembly segments. Meetings with locally influential voters are going to be carried out today. Households have been divided into 4 categories depending on level of support for the BJP. An army of RSS workers have also been called in to ensure sympathetic voters reach the polling booth. And finally, efforts are on to ensure religious and community heads declare their support to the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party, meanwhile, is keeping an eye on their principal opponent. In fact, they are keeping an eye on the 18 candidates who have the same name as the Aam Aadmi Party candidates. They are also keeping a keen eye on distribution of liquor and cash inducements. They've distributed 250 high-quality spy cameras and even downloaded special app for 5,000 smartphones that enable one to carry out a sting operation. The women and youth wing of the party and volunteers have been asked to keep a close eye on rumor mongering. Sympathizers have also been asked to report any communal flare-up to the top leadership. Aam Aadmi Party volunteers wearing caps will be seen at border posts on roads leading into Delhi from Gurgaon, Noida and Faridabad. Arvind Kejriwal himself and other leaders will participate in closed-door meetings. As for the party's social media team, their job is to ensure that 5 top Aam Aadmi Party hashtags continue to trend on Twitter. Let's go across now to Atir Khan, who joins us from the Delhi BJP office, as well as Jugal Purohit, who now joins us from the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters in the national capital. Let me come across to you, Atir, first. What really is the BJP's strategy now that the campaigning, official campaigning is over? What is their strategy? How are they going door to door?
Well, you see, Sanket, these 24 hours are going to be absolutely crucial. Now that there is door-to-door campaigning, and the idea is to, put in the best of resources at the micro level. Now it's the constituencies which matter, and that is why the candidates and their well-wishers are working to ensure their victory. Now this also involves very active social media and micro-level monitoring at the constituency level. So what we are also going to see is the counter of the anti-BJP, brigade, which has now joined hands together, including Mamta Banerjee, arch rival Prakash Karat. We have Nitish and Sharad Yadav. The entire brigade is there against the BJP. So it has an uphill task to counter all that, along with the AAP, juggernaut, which is now we are seeing at the moment. Sanket?
Absolutely, Atir. Do stay on with us. Let's also go across to Jugal Purohit, who joins us from the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Jugal, the Aam Aadmi Party is banking very heavily on the brand of politics that it wants to introduce in the national capital and its rub-off effect throughout the country. But as far as Delhi is concerned, what really has been their last-minute strategy? I believe they're doing something like distributing mobile phones with special apps to carry out sting operations if there is something wrong.
Sanket, that's just one of the many options that the Aam Aadmi Party cadre and volunteers are exploring. Remember, for the last 1.5 months that the Aam Aadmi Party has actually intensified. Remember, it was the first party to actually start planning and working on the ground insofar as Delhi elections are concerned. Ever since then, they've had volunteers coming from Mumbai, from Bangalore, Chennai, several other tier 2 and tier 3 cities out here. Every day, not just Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and the top leaders, but also these volunteers have been going from area to area campaigning, and that will continue even today. Yes, public rallies, public platforms cannot be used, but nothing prohibits the utilization of door-to-door personal campaigning and personal party activity building. So all of that's going to happen, and what is extremely symbolic, Sanket, right now is that this is the time when allies, friends, partners and foes are all coming along. As Atir just explained, yesterday we saw the anti-BJP factions like TMC and CPM, which otherwise don't see eye to eye, falling behind the Aam Aadmi Party. We also saw the controversial godman Ram Rahim Singh on the last day of campaigning saying that Dera Sacha Sauda activists and volunteers are to support the BJP. So, even though right now I'm outside the Aam Aadmi Party office, and this door, which every time that we've come here at 8 a.m. has been open, people have been going in and out, today remains shut, but the real action today will be behind doors which are shut. The real action will be behind these closed doors, in virtual worlds, in meetings and in one-to-one campaigning. That's what's going to happen today, so that tomorrow can be sealed in either direction and in either favor. Back to you.
Absolutely. And interesting that you say the virtual world, because the Aam Aadmi Party has also directed its Twitter ninjas to make sure that at least the top 5 trending hashtags belong to the Aam Aadmi Party. Wonder what the BJP is going to strategize. Thanks very much, Atir Khan, as well as Jugal Purohit. Let's quickly listen in to the Chief Minister candidate of the BJP, Kiran Bedi, who's speaking at this moment.
But I've seen respect for their unstinted support, unstinted, absolutely total hard work, and also no expectations. They're just doing it for the love of doing it, and they've been dedicated to this. They've not done it for me for the first time. They've been doing it forever. I'm going to now involve, I'm going to, by the way, have my dinner with them and celebrate. Actually, we are going to celebrate. Whatever the result, we are celebrating, because such a hard work merits celebration. What I would probably think is that now we have to convert all these karyakartas into good, ethical social workers of their neighborhoods. They could all become neighborhood social workers and continue to respond to civic amenities. So they could become eyes and ears of the government. I don't think this support should stop here. This must continue and now convert into active community activism, in the sense, look at sewers, look at contracts, look at community policing, look at security for women, look at schools. They could become social auditors. In no way, they could be trained now. So from political campaigning, we could now convert them into social reformers, in the sense, social help, community work. So I think it's a long way.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आज आह्वान किया है